7 yung classmates. Okay lang. Dalawang estudyante. Business. Oo, business. Ay, okay lang. Gets na? Gets na? Oh, students, para ma-divide na. Yeah, students here. Kiwi come here. Ikaw naman din nag-participate. You are prisoner.
Which part? Our
Calix, farmer. The farmers. Farmer versus family. Government here. Adi yun nagkakumpul. Don't, be divided kasi.
si Sedi.
This like is the,
TJ.
and then, ito na yung space na. So, bale, during our entrance device, audio of board na flood control. So, parang, the first will enter is the flood control, diba? And then, so you and the family will enter first na parang, action nila. Nagdala mo ng audio. So, may action na yun. Action na lang. Oh, action na guys. So, that's it.
Tapos you guys will like approve na lang.
Pwede lang.
You can
So, yeah.
kasi since